Ever thought of creating your own recording booth at home? Well, you're in the right place with GGM4L Productions. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY recording booths, a brilliant idea for budget musicians or anyone with a passion for sound recording. Building your own booth not only saves you a pretty penny, but also offers flexibility to tailor the space to your specific needs. So, why not take the reins and create a space that truly resonates with your sound? Stay tuned and discover how you can transform your space into your very own recording booth. Wondering why you should go DIY for your recording booth? Well, let's just dive right into it, shall we? First, we've got customization. This isn't some one-size-fits-all deal. A DIY booth lets you tailor every inch of your space to your unique needs. Whether you're looking to belt out ballads or spit fire rhymes, you get to decide what works best for you. Then there's the cost-saving aspect. We all know that professionally built booths can cost a small fortune, but with a little elbow grease and ingenuity, you can create a recording space that doesn't break the bank. And let's not forget the learning experience. Building your own booth is like a crash course in sound engineering. You'll learn about acoustics, soundproofing, and so much more. It's like getting a degree, but without the student loans. Now that you know why, let's delve into how you can create your own recording booth. Before we start building, what are the essentials for a recording booth? Let's dive right into it, shall we? First up, you'll need insulation material. This is crucial to keep unwanted noise out and trap your music in. You can use a variety of materials, but some favorites are foam panels or fiberglass insulation. Just remember, the thicker the better. Next up, we have bass traps. These are special types of acoustic energy absorbers designed to dampen low-frequency sound. In simpler terms, they prevent that annoying echo you get when you're belting out those high notes. Now, let's talk microphones. You don't need to break the bank for a good microphone. There are plenty of cost-effective options out there that deliver high-quality sound. Just make sure it's a condenser microphone, as these are perfect for vocals and acoustic instruments. Onto the audio interface. This is the device that gets your music from your microphone into your computer. It's like the bridge between the physical and digital world. You'll want to look for one that has a good preamp to boost your microphone's signal. And of course, you'll need a computer and recording software. Most computers these days can handle basic recording tasks, and there are even free recording software options available. Let's not forget about headphones. You'll need a good pair to accurately hear your sound. Look for closed-back headphones for the best sound isolation. Last but not least, you'll need pop filters and microphone stands. A pop filter reduces those popping sounds that can happen when you sing certain words. A microphone stand, well, that's pretty self-explanatory. Each of these items plays a vital role in creating a quality recording environment. They contribute not only to the sound quality, but also to the ease and efficiency of your recording process. With these essentials at hand, you are ready to embark on your DIY recording booth journey. All right, here goes the fun part. Let's roll up your sleeves. It's time to build that booth. First things first, let's talk about the skeleton of your booth. You'll need to create a basic frame using 2x4 lumber. This isn't just a game of stack and stick though. Remember to leave space for a door and to account for the size of your acoustic panels. Now here's a pro tip for you. To reduce the noise leakage, double up the walls. Yes, I said it, double walls. It's a bit more work, but the payoff is worth it. Once you've got your frame standing, it's time to get intimate with insulation. Insulation is not just for keeping your home toasty in the winter, it's also great for soundproofing. Rock wool is a fantastic, budget-friendly choice for this. It's dense, it's effective, and it's going to make your booth sound fabulous. Next on the agenda, we're going to get snazzy with acoustic panels. These puppies are going to help reduce echo and improve the overall sound quality in your booth. You could buy these ready-made, but where's the fun in that? You can easily make your own using some more of that rock wool, a wooden frame, and some fabric to wrap it all up. Alright, moving on to the floor. A thick, plush carpet is going to be your best friend here. It helps to absorb sound and will keep your feet cozy during those long recording sessions. If a carpet isn't an option, consider laying down some rubber mats for similar sound absorption benefits. Now, don't forget about the ceiling. This often overlooked area is another spot where sound can escape or bounce around. More acoustic panels or foam tiles will do the trick here. So you've got your walls, your floor, and your ceiling sorted. But what about that door we mentioned earlier? A solid core door is a soundproofing superstar. Add some weather stripping around the edges to seal any gaps, and you've got yourself a sound fortress. But wait, we're not done yet. There's one more thing to consider: ventilation. You don't want to be sweating up a storm in your new booth. A simple vent with a duct silencer will allow for airflow without letting in unwanted noise. And last but not least, let's talk about lighting. You want to set the mood, right? Soft, indirect lighting will give your booth a warm, inviting feel without adding any unwanted noise. And there you have it, a simple guide to building your very own recording booth. Let's take a moment to revisit what we've learned today. We've taken a deep dive into the dynamic world of DIY recording booths, and hopefully you've gained some valuable insights. We started off by exploring the benefits of DIY projects. Not only do they save a hefty amount of money, but they also provide a unique opportunity to tailor your booth to your specific needs and preferences. Plus, there's the added satisfaction of creating something with your own hands. Next, we dug into the essentials needed for a top-notch recording booth. We learned that it's not always about the most expensive equipment, but more about the right equipment. From microphones and headphones to soundproofing materials, each component plays a crucial role in enhancing your recording experience. Then, we embarked on the journey of selecting the right space. Remember, the space you choose is as important as the materials you use. A quiet, secluded area with enough room to accommodate your equipment is ideal. Finally, we delved into the process of building your booth. We discovered that with a little patience, some basic tools, and the right instructions, anyone can build a high-quality recording booth from scratch. So, there you have it. We've traveled from why you should consider a DIY project, through what you'll need, to how to bring it all together. Now you are equipped to create your very own recording booth. Unleash your creativity and happy recording. Please like and subscribe and tell all your friends to watch GGM4L TV.